Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up to be a product reviewer for Shein. Shein's free trial program allows you to receive complimentary items in exchange for your honest feedback. This is a fantastic way to influence fashion trends and help other shoppers make informed decisions. You can apply for up to 3 free trial items every single week, contributing to the brand's continuous improvement and getting new clothes for yourself. To begin your journey as a Shein product reviewer, you need an active Shein account. It is essential that you are at least 18 years old to participate in the free trial program. Make sure your account details, including your email address and phone number, are current. An active presence on the platform, such as regularly browsing and making purchases, can also increase your chances of selection. Once your account is ready, head to the free trial center, found under More Services in your personal account area. Here, you can browse available items and select up to 3 products per week that you would like to review. After choosing your size and confirming your shipping address, simply submit your application. Shein uses an automated system to select winners, and you will receive an email notification if you are chosen. Upon receiving your free trial item, you have 10 days to submit a comprehensive review. Your review should include detailed feedback on quality, fit, and style, along with clear photos. High-quality reviews are crucial and can earn you Shein points, which are redeemable for discounts on future purchases. Exceptional reviews may even be marked as high quality and awarded additional bonus points, enhancing your reviewer profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.